Welcome to the Finance Club DMS RIT. My name is Chaitanya Maste and today I will discuss about crude oil and stock markets. As we all know, India is importing around 82.8% of the crude oil and 45.3% of the natural gas, that is LNG. Hence, for net foreign exchange outgo is around $63.3 billion. India exchange oil for the dollars. Therefore, crude oil prices will get affected by the prices of dollar versus Indian rupees. Basically, crude oil prices are depending upon three major fields. They are NYSE crude prices, Brent crude prices, and WTI crude prices. The OPEC, that is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, will also have the effect on the crude oil prices. Indian rates are depending upon the Brent crude rates, and Brent oil fields shows the rates and locations of the Europe, Africa and Middle East. Very less or very high rates of the crude oil, both are harmful. Above the $70 per barrel is not good, because 75% of the businesses are depending upon the crude oil rates, and if the prices will get increased or decreased too much, then it will affect the both importing and exporting economies. Due to these fluctuating rates of the dollars, India is doing barter trade with some other countries, that is they are exchanging crude oil for some other commodities. If crude oil prices will get increased too much, then people will look for more conventional energy sources, and this will reduce the demand for the crude oil in the international markets. In the winter season, there is always high demand for the crude oil, but some of the oil exploration companies are ONGC, GAIL and Oil India. If crude oil prices will decrease, all these companies are at loss, because demand will increase for the imported oil and it affects sales and the profit margin of these companies. So these industries related to the oil exploration, like drilling pipe manufacturing companies and transportation companies, will also get affected due to this. But if prices will increase of the crude oil, then all these companies will get benefited. Oil marketing companies are Bharat Petroleum, Reliance Petroleum Limited, SR Oil Limited. If crude oil prices will reduce, all these marketing companies will get benefited, opposite to the economic condition, and all other industries, they will get impacted. But if crude oil prices will increase, they will get worst affected. Oil producing companies like Reliance Industries, ONGC, Oil India, if the prices will increase, they will get benefited despite economic loss. Recently, crude oil prices will have touched $70 per barrel, and we have observed a rally in these oil producing companies. When crude oil prices get increased, our markets are always falls drastically. If natural calamities, wars or accidents like an evergreen ship in the Suez Canal affects the prices of the crude oil, we can say that crude oil is the blood of the markets. So we can relate this scenario with exactly opposite move on our charts. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.